Hello and welcome back to AJM Learn. Today, I'm going to show you how to install a custom calculator widget on your Squarespace site. So I've used a couple in the past, but as we probably know if you've ever watched my videos, I love Elf site. Their stuff is amazing. So I'm going to use this one. Remember, we post videos every week, so subscribe if you like them. All right, all this is in the post, and so that's probably the best place to check it out. But I'll show you quickly how this kind of works. So you'll click Create Widget. The cool thing about this one is they've created a ton of templates. Some of their widgets only have like a handful of templates. This one has 116 because the calculator can be, I mean, like quite literally anything you could imagine. So you can scroll through these like a cake price calculator, a dog age calculator. I don't know why you would need that. Um, Auto lease calculator, whatever. They even have them like organized here by category. So essentially just choose one that you want to start with. So let's say student loan calculator, whatever one applies to you maybe the most, but don't worry, you can edit everything after. So you would say continue with this template. So from here, um, I've not tried the AI feature. I love AI in some ways I'm just like over it. So do this if you want, totally try it. I haven't done that. So otherwise you would want to start filling in your fields. So you will need to know like a decent amount about what you're doing, of course, to do this because these are custom calculators. So for example, this loan amount, if I click in here, you can change the label, what it's the description it's telling you here, all the values, all of that kind of thing, currency, etc. Um, Conditional logic. So set the rules to control the field visibility based on values entered in the fields. I see. So you can do conditional fields, which is nice if you need. So basically like a field based on ones before it. So this can get like pretty detailed. So get in here, set all this up. I mean, again, it can get pretty detailed. So that's why I say start with a template that makes the most sense for you. And then here you could get into the actual calculation. So you have your fields and then you have your actual calculations. So that's what's showing up over here on the right. So these are your fields on the left. All of these calculations are on the right. So what's generated based on these sliders. So your monthly payment. This formula, you're not writing this, don't worry. It's done based on, everything that you've input up here. But this is where it all lives. And there's so many options in here, so I won't get too much into it. Header, this is this title here. Sometimes I just totally get rid of this and hide it. Sometimes I keep it just depending on what I'm doing, but lots and lots of things. All right, so you can of course like add others, etc. Look, they're having a sale. Style. So everything of course is fully customizable. So it's cool they already have some general options in here you can click through. But you can change your font, you can change background color, text color. So definitely change everything based on your brand. And then lastly, just some other like really specifics here on how you want to separate your thousands and your decimals and um, the width of it and all that kind of thing. If you know custom CSS or JavaScript, feel free to add here. And they're going to add to your website for free. From here, it's going to prompt you to log in. I'm not going to log in right now, but you're going to log in. And all it's going to do is give you an embed code. And simply from there, go on your Squarespace site, add a code block, place it wherever you want on your site, wherever you want this calculator, add the embed code, and you're good to go.